Hey everybody, what's going on, fams? Today I'm trying a little different. Usually it's a taste test review mukbang. Do that make sense? Alright, let me go ahead and say my blessings. Amen, amen. Okay, today I have Greek pizza. Greek pizza. Chicken nuggets, but it's not chicken. It's tofu chicken. All right. And this right here supposed to be very spicy chicken. So I'm gonna get into this. My friend, she cooked this chicken right here, and she told me to try it out. So I will do that. Of course, I got my lemonade. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this here. You know what? I'm really interested with the tofu chicken, so I'm gonna try this here. Well, you know you ain't eating chicken. That's definitely for that. But the taste, whatever the outside coating is really, really good. Got a little mild kick to it. Oh, that's got a mild kick to it. You know the reason, I'm going to say that. It's got pepper. You know, I ain't too crazy about pepper, but they have a lot of pepper. Look at this. You see the little black pepper seeds? It don't look nothing like chicken, though. It's like they fried these, I guess, and then, wow. Okay. All right. Let me try this, my friend's chicken. And this also got look like a lot of pepper in this too as well. Okay. Now this is a chicken. Now that's some chicken right there. Okay. Hey, wait. Ooh. Oh, really? Uh, oh, that, whew, that's spicy. What did she do to this? What type of salt? What type of season did she soak that in? Or pepper, more likely. Let me try this one more time. Whew. Okay, let me just tear a piece off right here. Oh, whoo, wait. That's hot. Oh, Oh, wow. What, what type of pepper did she soak this in? Oh, God. Whew. But it's so good, though. It's just spicy. Now, the tofu chicken, okay, this is spicy with pepper on it. This, it's like she soaked it in, I don't know what she soaked this in, but whoo-wee, I don't know about this no more. Maybe if I take the breading off of it. Let's see if we take the breading off of it. You know what? I do not own any right to any copyright music. It's going to be, if I hear music in this video, I will take it down. I just will not put it up. But I'm finna taste it without it. Oh, Lord. Okay. I can't. Oh, God. Diane, let me tell you something. Now, I know you said you're going to watch this video. Woman, these not so bad. The tofu fodder, chicken nuggets, not bad. But this, I'm not eating this. That is just too hot. Oh, God. Hold up. Whew. Oh. 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 Okay. Whew. Ooh. Whew. God. I gotta wait for a second. Diane. I'm feeding this. I'm throwing this outside. That guy. Woo, woman, what did you do? You got when you watch this video, I'm gonna tell you something. You better call me. You gotta call me. I need to know what did you put in that. All right, so let's try the Greek pizza. First time trying this. So it's got tomatoes, chicken, whatever the green stuff is, I have no idea. Black olives. The chicken is right here. I don't know what this is. Spinach? Hold up. I don't know what that is. It might be basil. I don't know. All right, so here goes none. Wow. That's good. I ain't never had no Greek pizza before. Ever. Have you? And if you did, let me know. Let me know. Oh my God, this is so good. That is so good. That cheese. Oh, wow. That is so good. They have a lot of flavor. Um, wow, Me and this pizza could go hang out somewhere. Wow. The combinations of everything on this pizza, because you know, I don't care for tomatoes being on my pizza, but everything on that pizza comes together. Except that. You know, them little gristle pieces being in the chicken. But it's not bad. Long as it's not a bone. Let me try one of these. Diane. Slow down on the pepper, okay? Whatever you do, slow down on these. You know, and I always tease her because I always call these tofu farters. I said, "Oh, you eating tofu farter today, huh?" Mm-hmm. She said, "You gonna sit down and sit?" No, no, I'm not eating no tofu. I know what tofu tastes like. It's just bland. Don't got no taste to it. But these have a lot of flavor to it. The pepper is spot on. Ooh, if you like black pepper, you'll like this. But she made these though. But this chicken, I can't eat this chicken. No, buddy. I will put some hot sauce on a tofu farter chicken. I'm sorry to call these things tofu farters, but hey, that's what I call them. But they're good though. I'm a tofu chicken. Not bad. It's not bad. They got like all different sizes, huh? Diane, Houston just lift off. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. With Tabasco sauce, it tastes so good on them. It helps that tofu. But this pizza, oh my. You know what? What I might have to do is look this up and see what's all on that pizza. Because I forgot. All I know is Greek. The bread is okay, but I ain't too crazy about this bread. So I'm not gonna really finish to eat all that because I don't care for all that bread. That's what this is, spinach. Mm-hmm. Yep, it's spinach. Wow, that's good. I'm feeding the floor again. Yep, I'm sorry, guys, but this is where I do pizza sometime. I just want the stuff all on top of it. I usually eat my pizza like this too. I would never eat the bread. I'll go buy a whole pizza and literally tear everything off of it and throw the piece of bread away. The only part I will eat is this part here because it's so crunchy. That is so good. Well, that's good. I turn it over. But yeah, that's why I do pizza. But I ain't eating that chicken. Y'all want this chicken right here? Y'all can have it. I can. I cannot do it. Yeah, all this stuff on this Greek pizza really works together. I just don't feel like tearing all that spinach off of it. But I'm gonna eat these too. Okay. Something about tofu is just crazy to me. All right. I'm about to get off this thing, but I see y'all next time. Sorry I did not go live. I'm getting tired of it going live often. But like, share, and comment. And if you're new, make sure you turn that notification bell on. When I upload another video, you will receive it. Adios.